Welcome back to another C++ tutorial. In this demonstration, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you the difference between do-while loops and while loops, and the syntax, and show you an example. So the difference between do-while loops and while loops is a do-while loop runs the code at least once. And if the condition is false, the loop runs forever until we tell the interpreter otherwise. So here we have the syntax. Let me check. Yeah, and you want to, something I notice is sometimes it's picky about capitalization. Like make do lowercase and while lowercase. And that varies from language, but do, typical open bracket, close bracket, indentation, line everything up, kind of organized deal. Statements go here, and then while condition. So here's an example. Of course, we have our main stuff set up here. Include and outstream using namespace std, and initialize our main function. Notice that we have that and that. We set the variable, or the integer in this case, int a equals 0. Do open bracket c out. It's going to print a to the screen on a new line, and we're going to add 1 to a every time, of course. Add a comment in there. A plus plus is the equivalent to a plus equals 1, or the equivalent to a equals a plus 1. So what this says is, while a is less than 5, we're going to loop, and we're going to print a to the screen. Once a is not less than 5, the loop is over. Okay. So here's a demonstration. Now, very important, anytime you put one of these demos or you're trying to do code in here, you always want to close your old project. You can't just cut and paste it in there, it'll give you problems. Close your old project, create a new project, go through all the next, and then paste your code in there and then run it. So I've already run it here, and what we can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and end L here is what puts that on a new line instead of putting it sideways. So let's run it again, just show you. So what this does is it prints a out to the screen, and it adds 1 to a every time, and it does it while a is less than 5. So there you have it. Do while loops, very short, very simple, very sweet. I'll put the notes back up here on the screen if you want to look at those, pause the video, write them down. But that pretty much concludes this short tutorial on doing do-while loops in C++. Until next time, I'm Scott. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything like that, please let me know in the comments section below. And until next time, I'm Scott with another C++ tutorial. Peace out.